Good morning. Praise be Jesus and Mary.
So for you, what is sports health optimization and career opportunities?
So today, we are here to introduce to you what is sports for health optimization and career opportunities.
Sports play a vital role in improving and maintaining overall health.
Engaging physical activities such as running, swimming, or playing team sports help boost cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and improving blood circulation.
It also enhances muscular strength, flexibility, and muscular endurance, reducing the risk of injuries and improving overall mobility. Beyond physical fitness, sports have significant mental health benefits. Regular participation in sports releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, which help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Physical activity also enhances cognitive function, improving focus, memory, and overall mental well-being. Additionally, sports help prevent lifestyle diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. Consistent physical activity helps regulate body weight, control blood sugar levels, and maintain healthy blood pressure. For example, a person who plays soccer or goes for regular jogs is less likely to develop obesity-related complications. Similarly, activities like swimming and cycling help manage blood sugar and reducing hypertension risks by improving cardiovascular efficiency.
Physical activity assessment through sports. Sports help measure fitness, health testing endurance, strength, flexibility, and coordination.
Strength, push-up and set-up tests assess muscle strength. Activities like weightlifting and gymnastics help build strength. Next is flexibility. The sit-and-reach test measures flexibility. Sports like gymnastics and swimming enhance flexibility. Coordination. Agility drills and test access coordination. And tennis and martial arts improve these skills.
Playing sports regularly boosts performance in fitness tests, leading to better overall health.
Career in sports. Sports offer diverse career opportunities beyond being an athlete. First is professional athletes. Compete at various levels requiring dedication, fitness, and training from an early age.
Second is coaches and trainers. Develop strategies and train athletes. And improve performance, often with degrees and sports science certification.
Third, we have sports medicine experts. Treat and prevent injuries as physiotherapists, athletic trainers, or doctors, requiring medical or therapy degree.
So fourth, we have sports analysts and broadcasters. Cover and analyze sports in media needing strong communication skills in journalism or media studies degrees.
Fifth, use sports for rehabilitation and mental health, typically with degrees in therapy or physical education.
A career in sports requires skill, education, and passion, whether on field and behind the scenes or in media.
Sports play a vital role in both health and career development. They improve physical fitness, build important life skills, and open doors to various professions like athletes, coaches, sports medicine experts, and analysts. By staying active in sports, you can boost endurance, strength, flexibility, and coordination, while also exploring exciting career opportunities. Whether you play for fun, fitness, or a future profession, sports can positively impact your life.